ka benta ka banginya karen ha ka ne ka por kalong ka badon kam hado kata bat ka badai por bha hai ni ki sngi ki jong ni menta kata kalong shapang ki vaccine kumba sau pholai sngi minshua ki to ki bala pek ha ka ne ka channel le se phela yo I ka to ki jinga kren ka bangilai kren shapang ye de man shim vaccine ne em menta sau pholai sngi la ya karkum ka to video ka ba ngela pan mi hang to ngala ong kum ne ba kani ka vaccine karang thammai naka liang jonga shimet ngan shim ngan nom shim ngong ngan saparkhat halien ka to ka nesngi manta saupulai sngi kalaya lese phi naka liang ki nong pe phila ban prakhat ba ka e ka rai ka jonga shimet haga ba ya dei bat kane ka jing shim ya ki vaccine hoi nilai I shibon ki video nilai I shibon ki jing tho bat kiwai ki jing karpat nakaliang jong ka sarkar nakaliang jong ki pastor nakaliang jong ki riu shimet ban shim ya kini ki vaccine ka ba kham khrau ka bang sotnat banya tho phi ha ka ne ka por ka long bangla yo lat banya don benta ha ka we ka meeting ya ka ba argot na ki doctor na CMC velor ki ba la kren shaphang kane ka vaccine shaphang ki jingman toy ba ki jingdo man toy jongane ka vaccine namar kata ka daw akar pa de phi ba phin pej ba phin snap bha yakane ka jinga kren hoy ngala airu ha khasi khanang ba kitu ki bomsung tho ya ka phareng kela ban su tho da ka khasi namar ngi kwa ba iwei pe iwei na preng jong phi phin snap phin ya sngo we ki ai ba ki doctor ki kren bar halor kata in sarai shimet langi de van shim vaccine ne em nakaliang ka jonga hi shimet nga saya tho ya phi ka bakut dang ka video ka ai ka rai ka jonga telada bidang thamai ha ka ne ka channel ye pediang so bahaya phi bat kan mau phim de ban klet ba phin subscribe khanang bab philaban yo ken ya ki jingtip lengba jong ka YouTube man bangi pen mi ya ki ne ki video ki jongi ha ka ne ka channel koble shibon tong ye ya shakma
So by all means, vaccines are safe. There are no side effects that you have to worry about. I can guarantee you that that's a great thing to do. So by all means, vaccines are safe. There are no side effects that you have to worry about. I can guarantee you that that's a great thing to do. There are only two vaccines currently available in the country, which is the Covishield, which is the AstraZeneca vaccine, and the other one which we have now is the Bharat Biotech's Covaxin vaccine. Both the vaccines are, it appears from the data that we have, are safe. The Covishield had some comments about some clotting, which is an extremely rare phenomenon, which normally in India, we've given millions of doses, but we don't even see those cases. Which vaccine is better? Which vaccine should you take? The vaccine that's available to you locally is the best vaccine to take. The Covishield, which is the vaccine from Serum Institute, which is the commonest available vaccine, has been tested extensively in different populations. The Covaxin is also a great vaccine, and the advantage of that vaccine is that it may protect against the newer variants. But don't wait for one vaccine or the other. Whichever vaccine is available is the most useful, and the sooner you can get a vaccine is always better, because this pandemic is going through now and it will come down after a while. That means the risk of getting COVID and dying of COVID is way higher. So because of that, we recommend to everybody to get the vaccine. However, who needs the vaccine? Again, I will say people above 45 years and people with comorbidity should get it first, and they should get it soon. Why the vaccines are taken 2 doses? How long will the vaccine immunity last? Okay, so the first dose protects people, but in some people, the first dose does not actually cause enough of immunity. So you need a second dose. So the reason is, if you get a first dose and 8 weeks later or 6 weeks later get a second dose, the second dose comes into the body produces massive amounts of antibody. So the thing is, the vaccines work, and the chances are these vaccines will protect for 3 to 4 years, But there's no reason to think the vaccine will stop working at the end of 1 year. It might last for several years. If there are new variants of the virus that come up, then it is possible that we will need new booster doses. But at this point, the variants that are coming up in the studies all are susceptible to the vaccines that are available to us now. Can you get infected with the virus after you've had the vaccine? We have told you earlier, yes, you can get infected. You may be PCR positive. The vaccine will prevent that by about 50%. But on addition to that, it decreases the probability of you having severe disease by over 85%.
Nakaliang jonga hi nga smoba kanika jingkren palapen syai shibon bha syapang ki vaccine. Manta ka syong sahangi shimet bangin rai langin shimne engin nam shim. Lesi phi kwa ban tip la nakaliang jonga shimet pat ka eka rai ka jonga ha ka bayade bat ki vaccine. Ngaro ko ban tip ka eka rai ka jong phi. Swaba ban bo ha ka comment section ya ki jingkan tho ki jong phi syapang jong kane. Bat kumjoru philaban tho lengba kane ka email ka ba phi i ha ka screen tho shangi khnang ba ni yo kan banya kran bat phi philaban ai ka phone number jong phi ru ha ka email kumangala kran ha ka to ka video ka bala dep ngako aban ban sa hisen ba ka bible kam persya yano ru ban shem ya ki dawai ki long nagam taban ya dayangi nagam taban pin khya yangi henry pat ka shong hagamon ga jongi shimet namar umdon bala mano ba yano ru ban pen bor henry nakaliang ga jonga shimet akwa ban ya thu ya phi ki paranong pe khnang bakan shai ken mo am kwa ban bori ke bar khoi kata ga long bangala rai bangan shim ya une o vaccine but kabasa kasa hakakti ka jong ublehi namar ngi nginam la ban lei ai ong ya phi kat bangela ai ngi le hai kabasa kalong hakakti ka jong ublei to blei kor khu ya phi hado bangyen le kan do biang khoblei shibone